Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make jeans circle skirt. This is very unique and beautiful skirt. I hope you will like it. This is the jeans. I will make a waistband for my skirt, and this is the cotton fabric. I will make a circular skirt with this. I use cotton fabric. If you don't want to use cotton fabric, you can use any other fabric. Total length for my waistband is 5 inches, but I am taking 1 inches seam allowance. After measurement, I will cut it off from the jeans. This is super simple skirt. You can prepare it within 5 minutes. After cutting the waistband, it's time to make the circular skirt. For this, fold the fabric 4 times. First take your stretch fabric and fold it in half so that the shortest edges are even with each other. Then fold your fabric again so that the long edges are even. Total length of a circular skirt is 15 inches, and in circular skirt length and width should be same. So length is 15 inches as well as the width is 15 inches also. Now take the measurement, tag the pin in measuring tape, and then tag in starting at the folded corner. Now measure down the number of inches, that is 15 inches. Then rotate the measuring tape down the same distance and mark with the chalk. Continue doing this until you have created an arc across that top corner of your folded fabric. Now, next to the chalk trail you have just created, cut out your skirt from the folded fabric. Total length of waistband is 6 inches including the seam allowance. So I will cut the waistband of my skirt also. Again repeat the same process and mark the 6 inches. Rotate your tape and make an arc. Once you have completed, it's time to cut it out from your skirt. All cutting is completed. It's time to sew the skirt with the waistband. First I will sew the side seams of my circular skirt, and after that I will make a frill in the middle. As you see, I have sewn it. It's time to pinning it with the waistband in order to sew them together. After pinning, I will sew this. As you see, I have sewn it with the waistband. After sewn, it looked like this. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.